Well, hello again everyone, welcome back for another look at the racing for the weekend. On screen are the results from last weekend. We had 8 bets, got on all of them actually. All of them were well over $4 at the time of the race, and only one winner, the very last race in Melbourne, got up at $5, so $40 profit there. Take off the commission and net profit of $37.20 on that race, but we've gone further backwards. Less than 1 in 4 winners now, $233 down the drain on an investment of $2,434 over nearly 7 months that we've been going on this. Return on investment negative 9.6%. So the story continues to not be one that we're looking for. And look, to be perfectly honest, I'm going to keep going for a little while, but it takes me 3 or 4 hours to put this together by the time I put all the stuff into the spreadsheet. Film it, edit it, upload it, make sure it's all okay. I enjoy doing it, but not much point in bringing it to you if I'm not delivering some sort of positive results, I guess. So I'll keep looking for some trends, but gee whiz, I'm not finding any at the moment that are turning the bank into that positive direction. Anyway, let's have a look at the races for this weekend. You see I'm doing a bit of research on my investment strategy, which also needs a little bit of a pep talk. It's not going so well either at the moment, but anyway, we'll have a look at the races for this weekend. So starting with the quaddie legs in Randwick, race 7, it comes up with Andermatt, short price favourite. Stands out quite a bit in the ratings, but it's too short for me to have a bet in that race. Randwick race 8, pretty even contest there. Kerwin's Lane the top pick. We had a nice win on that a few weeks ago, and a nice price at $6.50 at the moment, so probably be putting some money onto that one. Race 9, again, this one's looking quite promising. A good stretch out in front of the rest of the field here. 10.3 is the rating, closest 100 Titanium Power at 3.3, so French Marine going to be a bet if the prices stay as they currently are. And coming to the last race, pretty even sort of contest according to the Wagon Wheel's assessment, but at the moment Queen Bellissimo is out as the top selection. Moving to Caulfield, first leg of the quaddie, even race between 2 chances according to the Wagon, at least the way I've got it done. This is the revised Wagon Wheel. I've certainly made some changes to the original one. Thought I might be making some improvements, but it's not turning out that way, is it really? Anyway, Sacred Palace is the top selection, marginally in front of Galenus. Race 7, I don't really like this race. Grand Slam, a very short price, I think, at $2.90. Caulfield race 8. This one's interesting race. It's coming up with a very long-priced horse as the top pick. Now, we've had like about 117, 118 races, and the Wagon has not been able to find a winner any longer than $11. So right now, Mystery Shot sitting here at $19, but its form's not too bad. Total of 12, down in class. It's certainly won on the track and over the distance, and the Wagon says it's a top pick. So there we go. Mystery Shot in the second last race at Caulfield, and then the last race, this one also stands out quite a bit. Zoist at $6. So we're going to leave it there for this week. I'm going to go back when I find some time and see if I can spot some sort of a trend. I've got nearly 120 races, as I said, and I'm just wondering whether we're betting in too many races, and we've got to be a lot more selective about which ones we put our money into. So that's it for this week. Enjoy your punting tomorrow. Hope you have some success, and I'll catch up with you again next weekend.